Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2014 Ford Focus and I will show you how to remove and replace the cabin air filter. This video should apply to Ford Focuses made from 2012 all the way up to 2018. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the videos, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Okay, so the cabin air filter is located under the glove box. It's not too hard to access it. It's gonna be all the way back here. Here is like the cover, so I will turn on the flash on my phone actually. You should see it much better. Okay, see, here is the cover. Now, to make your life easier, you will want to remove this top cover prior to removing the filter, and to do that you will have two black screws here, one here and one here, and you can remove these by using your hands. You don't need any tools. So just remove those plastic trim screws and pull this cover all the way down, and now you have much better access to the filter. Now, to be able to remove the filter housing cover, there is one small screw down here, and this will be Torx T20. So I want to remove that screw first. Okay, now once you have removed this small screw, now to remove the cover you will have two black tabs. You see, one here and one on the opposite side. You see, you want to press them together and pull the cover towards yourself, and inside is the filter. To remove the filter you just want to pull it straight out. Okay, and as you can see, this one wasn't replaced in a long time because it looks quite rough. It's supposed to be white. Okay, it's a bit tight space here, but that's how you remove the old filter. And when you have the new filter, you will just install it in the same way. And one more tip: when you have the new filter, you always want to check the airflow direction. You see, there will be like a small arrow on each of these filters. So this one was in like this, and that means the airflow is towards you. Okay. That's something to keep in mind. So when you have a new filter, just make sure the arrow points towards yourself, so towards the cabin, towards the seats, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.